Guys, guess what? I just discovered that Chat GPT can now speak to us in Jamaican patois. That's so exciting to me because you guys know that I use Chat GPT for a lot of things. You guys have seen videos of me using Chat GPT. When I say I use it for everything, I mean like almost everything. Like if I need to update a resume, if I need to respond to an email, if I need to write an email, if I need a recipe, you know, there's so many uses of Chat GPT, and I have shown you some before. I'll put a link to the video I've done in the description bar below, and I'll update that soon. But right now, I discover say them can't speak in patois. So we're gonna test it out and see how good this actually is. Let's do it. So I'm using the Chat GPT app on the phone, the mobile app, because you know that's more convenient. And I'm gonna see how well it actually works and if we can actually, you know, deal with it. So here goes. I downloaded the app from the App Store, and you can get that on either the Android or the Apple phone, right? So now I'm gonna use the voice command and see what happens. Speak to me in Jamaican patois.
Midday have a chat to you. How things are going?
Things are going good, you know. How things are going for you?
Midday are whole of vibes. You know how it go. How you stay?
I stay good enough, but you know, I wanted to speak to a female voice. Can you send me a female voice?
Me sorry about that, but me can't change my voice. Me will still chat pato with you though.
You sound like a uptown Jamaican. Which part you come from?
Me come from the digital world, so me no Jamaican man. Me just pick up a little bit from everywhere.
Oh, I don't believe say you're Jamaican at all.
Me over here just a try to keep up. Where you feel me sound like me come from?
I don't know, somewhere in the Caribbean, but not necessarily Jamaica, Jamaica. It sound like probably like a cousin.
Me will take that. So, me sound like the cousin we visit from abroad, but still have a little Caribbean vibe. Me will work with that.
All right, we work with it.
So here me say no, me have a cousin and him girlfriend a give him bun. What you think me fi tell him?
Well, it's sticky. Him have to decide if him want address it with her. Communication important, you see me? He might need to talk to her and find out what go on. If them can work it out, or if it better fi move on.
It bad in a yard she do it in a film one of us.
Oh man, that rough bad. That make it even more complicated. Him need to think about what him really want and if him can forgive her. That kind of betrayal, no easy to deal with.
A true
Him need
man.
fi yeah, me feel it for him. Hope him find a way to deal with the situation. Me there if you need to talk more about it.
So here one now, in tell me say them have one shared bank account with 500,000 Jamaican in it. And him want to know if him fi take out all of it and don't tell her what him fi do. What me fi tell him?
At a delicate situation.
So me fi tell him say,
What am I tell him?
You can tell him say you did if you support him and encourage him to talk it out with her. It hard, but honesty and communication are the key. Him need to find out the truth and decide what him can manage. If him can forgive or if it better for him move on.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Just a pause to remind you that if you're looking for authentic, traditionally made Jamaican black castor oil, we've got you covered. You can get it from Jamaica at www.jamaica.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description bar below. So that's your authentic, traditionally made Jamaican black castor oil. Also, a lot of you have always been asking me about my Jamaican necklace that I almost never take off. So this is it with the pendant. It's a map of Jamaica, and it has all 14 parishes written on it. That is also available on Jamaica's website. I will leave a link to both the castor oil and the necklace in the description bar below, so you can go get them for yourself. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Now let's get back into the video. If my grandfather go down a country, when food about it?
Ja, no, that tough. The first thing your grandfather fi do are report it to the police. The faster the police know, the better chance them have to find it.
But
Your grandfather also need to check if anybody see or hear anything and tell the community to look out for it too. It rough, but hopefully them can recover it.
sometimes them not like report it to the Jamaican police, because them not really do much sometimes. So how that go?
Me understand the hesitation. If the trust in the police low, him can try look for other ways to recover the goat. Maybe the community can rally round and help search, or set up a watch to see if anybody a sell goat sudden.
So my battery died, but we're back. So I spoke to the Chat GPT's male voice, which is pretty cool, and I also found the female voice, and this is what she sounds like. Are you there?
Yeah, Medea. Ready when you are.
Can you speak to me in Jamaican patois?
Yeah, man. I can do that. Wagwan. How me can help you today?
Lord, man, you sound like you come from Jamaica for true.
Wicked. You have to look forward to the trip then. Whole heap of nice things we enjoy back a yard. You ready for the food, the vibes, and the family link up?
Of course, I miss the food. God, the food over here not taste the same.
Me know what you mean. Nothing can beat the real Jamaican flavor. You done plan which restaurant you go hit up first?
Yeah.
Or you look for some home cooked meal?
You know, so I'm not planning it yet, but you can give me some suggestions. Would I take it?
All right, when you touch down, you have to check out a patty shop for some authentic Jamaican patty. Then, find a spot where serve up some good jerk chicken or pork. For the seafood lover, you have to try some fresh fish right off the coast. And remember for you some real ackee and saltfish too.
That not sound bad. Sound like some good choices, man.
For real, once you have them dish there, your belly and your taste buds are gonna thank you. You ready to enjoy the vibes and the food when you reach?
I'm ready now. I'm ready for see my family. A long time I see them, you know.
That's a go sweet your heart for true. Nothing no nice like family time, especially when you have to catch up on old times and make new memories. You must feel excited to see everybody again.
Excited. But tell me something. Which part of Jamaica you come from?
Me no really come from nowhere, but if me fi choose, me woulda send me heart there in a Kingston, the heartbeat of the island. Where you from?
A Kingston I come from, you know.
Mandeville, nice.
No,
The cool
no,
and calm of
no.
the hills, different vibe from the city life. You miss the Manchester air, no true?
No, a Kingston I come from.
Kingston it is then. You know the place have its own unique energy and style. From the music to the culture, Kingston always a keep.
You know what I want to know? How I can make some money with Chat GPT?
Well, you can use Chat GPT to help you come up with ideas, create content, or even brainstorm business ventures. If you're in the content creation space, you could use it to come up with topics for videos or blog posts. For business, you can use it for research market trends or even come up with strategies. Plenty ways to use it to make a money.
I lie. So tell me some things about Jamaica. We're going back to Jamaica. I soon come back to the money. Tell me some things about Jamaica.
Jamaica, full of culture and history. You have the vibrant reggae music, birthplace of legends like Bob Marley. You have the rich food scene with dishes like jerk chicken, curry goat, and ackee and saltfish. Then you have the beautiful scenery from the white sand beaches to the lush blue mountains. And you can't forget the warm, friendly people who always welcome you with open arms.
Nice. Some tourists concerned about the crime and violence in Jamaica. What would you say to them?
Crime can be a concern, but like with any other place, it's important to be aware of your surroundings and stick to safer areas, especially tourist spots. Most visitors have a great experience without any issues. It's good to take common sense precautions like not flashing valuables and using reputable transportation. Safety first, you know?
You give some good advice, you know. I love that.
Glad to help out. Jamaica have enough to offer, and once you stay smart, you can enjoy the beauty and culture without worry.
My grandfather, them thief him goat. And he want to ask me what for do. What am I tell him?
I'm sorry to hear that, you know. Tell your grandfather to report it to the police. Give them all the details about the goat and when it happened. Them can help keep a lookout and might have some advice to recover the goat. Also, tell him to check with neighbors if them see or hear anything. Security measures like better locks or even a watchdog might help prevent it from happening again.
So what about, you know, sometimes people afraid to go to the police because them feel like the police not going to do nothing. What am I tell him about that?
I'm sorry, but I'm having trouble responding right now. Please wait a bit and try again.
Me say, sometimes people concerned for go to the police. They don't want to go to the police because they think the police not going to do anything. What am I tell him about that? She done. Are you there? It says at the bottom, it says almost at monthly limit.
Yeah.
You have 6 minutes remaining. I have 6 minutes left, so come on, man.
As it get closer to the part, start responding. So,
Oh.
I don't know why she
Hello.
run out of patta.
So apparently this is in some kind of testing beta mode or something to that effect, it seems, because it gives you a limit per month that you can use for free. But if you pay for it, then you can get, lots more minutes and lots more commands and lots more things to ask for. But so far so good. As you guys heard, it's very conversational, and it responds to you like you're talking to someone. And for if you have questions about just about anything, them can, ChatGPT answers and give you good suggestions. Because even when I asked about some good food in Jamaica, or, the answers that I got were some really good answers. And even talking about my granny goat, my grandfather goat, we got missing. The suggestions, the response was good. So I think I may pay for the extended version. And sometimes some people are lonely and have nobody to talk to. And talk to ChatGPT. But no, go find a friend. But still, if you don't have no friend, it can work. But I think it is so interesting, and you have the different voices from the female voice to the male voices, and thing like that. But that is so cool. That is so cool. Let me see. It says I have 6 minutes left, so let me see if I can activate her. Hello. Hello, are you there?
Yeah, Medea. Ready when you are.
So where you go a while ago?
Midday, man. Wagwan.
Me did I ask for the advice about my grandfather goat. You said he must go to the police and report it because they stole the goat. But sometimes they don't want to go to the police because they don't think the police gonna do anything. So what am I to say to him?
Me understand. Sometimes them feel discouraged for report things, but it's important for at least make the report so it dep on record. If them no walk out the station, maybe them can call and talk to an officer. It's important for the community to know that things like this are happen, so them can try prevent it in the future.
Yeah, make like a sense. Yeah, make like a sense.
Anything else you want to know before you head out?
Hold on.
So if me are foreign and me want to go one a nice hotel them, tell me some nice hotel them can go.
All right, if you're looking for nice hotels in Jamaica, you have some great options. In Montego Bay, you can check out Half Moon or Secrets Wild Orchid. Ochi have the beautiful Moon Palace. And if we're going the grill, try Couples Swept Away or the Caves. Them all offer different vibes, from luxury to all-inclusive experiences. You're bound to find somewhere you love.
So tell me something. How much them pay you?
The prices can vary depending on the season and the type of room you
No,
want.
no,
For a
no,
luxury
no,
resort
no.
like Half Moon
Not
or
them.
Secret,
Me mean, how much them pay you, ChatGPT, for tell all of this?
me no get pay. Me just here for help you out and chat. Any questions you have, me here for answer them to the best of my ability.
So who are your parents?
My accent come from being trained with various voices and accents, so me can sound like me from Jamaica to chat with you in the way you're most comfortable. It's all part of the service.
So you think that AI are gonna take over the world?
AI are gonna get more advanced and playing a bigger role in the world, but it not take over everything. It more about how people use AI to improve things like healthcare, education, and business. People will still be in control, making decisions on how to use the technology.
So you don't think AI are gonna take over people's job?
AI might change the job landscape, but it no means say it a go take over everybody's job. It more likely to change the types of jobs available. Some tasks might get automated, but new opportunities will come up, especially in fields like tech, where people work alongside AI.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, make
I'm
whole heap of-
sorry, but you've hit the monthly limit for advanced voice. You can switch to standard now to keep chatting.
Exactly. Let me see. So now that it up, let me see how long, how much it costs. It's a your advanced voice mode limit resets on December 3rd. So December 3rd. Upgrade now or switch. upgrade to plus. For $19.99 a month, I can get 5 times more messages on GPT-4, high limits for photos, access to advanced voice mode, create and share custom GPTs, and access new features. So $20 a month, and you get to talk to ChatGPT in patois or any other accent that you choose. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I feel like I'm gonna download it on another phone and keep chatting. But you guys now see that it's available, so go get the app on your phone. It's free, and go chat with it and get some questions answered. And let me know what your experience is like. Comment it. Let me know. Anyways, I'm gone now because the baby I get fussy. I'm gonna need to go feed him. So I'll catch you in another one.
Rushing in, rushing in, rushing in with the vlogging. Rushing in, rushing in, rushing in. A good thing, DIY thing. Traveling, exploring, touring. A little ear thing, a little teaching. A be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rushelin. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cause she not